Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Exposition. Today I want to show you Tesla Drive front license plate holder compatible with a Tesla Model Y and 3 from 2017 to 2024. This doesn't require any drill into the front bumper, and this is just an attachment bracket so you can mount your front license plate. So let's check them out. There's a user manual. Nice license plate frame with a Tesla logo there. It's like a standard size for US license plates. Heavy duty metal bracket. There's the accessories and the key. This is all metal. License plate screw covers. The Phillips screwdriver. Step 1, you have to place this license plate onto the bracket. I'm just gonna use this, but you can use any license plate. This is when you can decide to use the license plate frame or not. So I will use the license plate frame on the frame, like actual bracket now, through here. So just like this. That's it. So these brackets go inside. Screwdriver that they supply you. Okay, that's it. You turn it clockwise. These brackets go wider and wider. So then it gets really tight onto that grill. That's how you lock this up. And with the key, turn this, so you won't be able to turn this. It locks the knob with the key. And if you want to cover these up, these are the metal ones. Or if you wanted to use the black ones, you can just use the black plastic caps. It's very easy to install, rotating the button to fix the license plate mount off and on anytime you want. Some states require you to have the front license plate, so this might be required for you. And it's a perfect fit for Model Y and Model 3. So let's install this on my car, and so let me show you how I'm gonna install this on my car. Right, look at this, just like that. So this is my Tesla Y. So find the middle point. That's the middle grill area. The very bottom and top, and pop it in. Twist this, it gets wider and wider. See? Now it's not gonna fall out at all because it is super tight on it. So that's the look that you're gonna have. So very tight to the body. So thank you for viewing my video, and see you on the next one.